Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. To returning subscribers, I want to say a very big thank you. If you're just joining me for the very first time, thank you so much. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bells, and guess what guys, we're about to have a ride of a lifetime. So like we all know, Jackie B and Michael seem to be back together after they had a conversation. I mean, Michael literally became a lover boy, looking at the fact that I think Jackie B played her game very well by trying to distance herself away from Michael. And right now we see that herself and Michael have started sleeping in the same bed together. So last night, right, Michael was requesting for a hug. And if you literally saw how Jackie B freaked out, she didn't want to, I mean, she moved from 0 to 100, right? I don't know if Jackie is confused about what exactly she wants to do. Does she want to hug? Does she want to get a bit of intimate, right? Because I feel that if you don't want to get intimate with someone, you literally don't have to sleep in the same bed, because hugging is part of intimacy, right? Kissing is also part of intimacy. So I think that Jackie B should state boundaries and put clear-cut boundaries. But Michael does not seem like someone who would respect those boundaries, because Michael is a crazy guy. Moving on to my next gist. So Boma in the garden, right, has come out to say that some of the girls in the house are gossiping about him. And he goes ahead to tell some of the guys in the garden that they should wait for it, that he has just started, he has just begun, the show is almost over. I mean, we're in the 5th week of the show and gradually the show is winding out, right? And of course he was seen telling the guys that, you know what, these girls have not seen anything. As the okra man that he is, he's just about to bring the real thing from the bag, that they should go ahead and keep gossiping about him, that what is coming is greater than what he has done before.
The girls are using my name to sing. I was doing bad things to them. Can you imagine? They'll meet me in front. I have more surprises for them. Well, don't want people thinking you slow down. But I don't know I'm Gaddafi.
Now, just to buttress this statement that Boma has made, we see Angel and JMK in the room, right? And of course, those girls are just talking and having their normal conversations. And then Angel says she wants to say something, that she doesn't want Boma to come to her bed tonight. So literally, you remember that Boma has always been coming to Angel's bed every night and tries to put her to sleep. But guess what? They also try to do stuff. They try to do one or two, right? And now we see Angel telling JMK that she doesn't want Boma to come to her bed. And JMK was like, why do you want to come to her bed? And guess what she said? She said Boma is a terrible kisser.
I don't want to make Boma sleep on my bed again. And you cannot kiss on, like, what is leave me alone, bro. Like, oh.
And then she now went ahead to say that out of all the guys that she has kissed in the house, now remember that she has kissed quite a number of guys in the house. The ones I remember right now are like KV, and of course she's kissed Sammy. So if you remember any other one, please go to the comment section and please let me know. You know, she's kissed quite a number of guys in the house. And here she says that out of all the guys that she's kissed in the house, Boma is the worst of them all.
Out of all the guys that I've kissed in this house, and I've kissed your sister, yes. And he's the only bad one. Shit. I'm on that way that I want my kid check well. And we go.
I think that if only Boma knew the statement that Angel had made about him, he would never mention what he said in the garden. Moving on to my next gist. Sasuke is complaining that the tasks in the house are too much, right? Of course, we see Sasuke and Cross in bed, right? And of course, they're having a conversation. And here Sasuke is saying that, you know, I've watched this show in the years. I've been a fan of this show over time. And when I watch this show, it looks like if that the housemates are just having like 1 or 2 tasks. But right here, we have tasks like Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Or we have tasks like Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And we have like 4 tasks in a week, compared to the other seasons that she has watched, where she sees them having like 2 tasks in a week. And she says that she's really getting exhausted.
I know I've been watching past seasons a lot, but with the tasks this much, like from Wednesday, Friday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, what? Like 4 tasks each every week, and each task has components. I didn't think it was this much.
Then Cross goes ahead to ask her that, come on, if you say that you're tired of the task, if you say that you wanted us to do just 2 tasks in a week, what else would we be doing in this house? And Sasuke was like, you know, we'll just be sleeping and entertaining the audience.
Oh, no, we didn't trust.
Entertaining the audience without sleep.
You can have sleep.
Because that's literally what we do. No big bad.
Finally, in my gist, Queen is angry the white money slept in GMK's bed. And let me just tell you this for real. If you go on Showmax, I cannot use the clip here. If you go on Showmax, right, there is a conversation right there about the fact that Cross and GMK had a shower. And of course, Cross and Angel also had a shower, right? And from what I heard, there were a lot of, I didn't want to use the word, I didn't want to say it out. There are a lot of, and of course there are a lot of heads given in the shower. And of course there's this other video of Sammy and Angel, and we really see Sammy and Angel kissing just in front of the staircase that leads to the head of house room. And this is it. Kaide will not necessarily show us all of these clips because you know what, there's the NBC rule where you don't have to show some things on TV. And then this gives me a flashback to what happened on Sunday. So we remember that JMK was booking spaces in her bed for guys, and of course she was telling White Money that he was going to be in her bed that night, and Cross was wondering that why would just White Money be in your bed? And she said, come on, you're scheduled for tomorrow. And here we hear Talking Back were telling us that these guys had the shower together in the shower, and of course some of them have even started giving themselves head in the shower, and I'm like, what the?
Mazi, go and shower now.
Definitely, I want to sort out this thing.
Don't slide me. You must come to my bed.
I'm there already. Like I'm telling you, like I'm there. Nobody will know.
After I sleep on your bed,
Your turn is tomorrow now.
No, I am never.
You will.
To remember that 2 nights ago, White Money slept in JMK's bed, and of course because JMK had already booked him for her bed, right? And here we see the fact that White Money is telling the guys as Queen is angry that he slept in JMK's bed.
Queen, as usual, she was. I want to talk to her, I tell her she was still talking to me. And I know the attraction is already there.
Yes,
yeah, she's still talking to me. I said, why are you in the vest? I remember I never get that conversation, but what is it? I want to tell her, say, this same thing now, we don't do Bbnaija, what can I do? I think same thing.
Oh, my best for you.
Yeah, why did I tell her that?
Can you imagine?
Moving on to my next gist. Remember the 2 nights ago, Boma and of course Maria got into an issue, right? And of course this was about the fact that Boma and Angel were talking while Maria was trying to sleep. And of course we'll see her here, of course, herself and Boma having this conversation about the fact that she was really being respectful when she was trying to address the issue. And of course we saw that this matter also degenerated to a point where Boma was reporting her to Pere. But of course right here we see Maria and Pere in a conversation in the garden, and she's telling Boma that, you know what, whatever I said it in a very respectful way. There was no intention to make you feel bad or whatever it is. It was the fact that we were all tired, and of course, you know, at some point you and Angel were gisting, and at a particular point your voice just got high and you started laughing out loud, and that was why she was trying to address the matter.
Sorry guys, I'm not even being funny or disrespectful, but like some of us here are trying to sleep, and it was calm. Like I needed to, because you guys were whispering at first. Next thing, I don't know what joke, but you laughed, and then your voice started rising. I said,
Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please go to the comment section and let us continue our conversations there. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and guess what? You get notified whenever I post a video. Go on all social media platforms on Facebook and Instagram, on Twitter, and of course on TikTok, and follow me at Femi Daniel. Until next time I come your way very soon, it's bye for now.